Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Creative Careers. If you haven't subscribed, if you are new to my channel, please like, share and subscribe the channel. And I do contents regarding design, what are different kinds of design and how to become a design entrepreneur and everything about creative courses. You will know about all the creative kind of careers, courses and how you can earn from design. All will be talking in this YouTube channel. So if you want to know more about all these things, please subscribe to the channel. Let's move. Today's topic is what is interior designing, and we'll talk everything about interior design, how to become one, courses you have for that, colleges you can go for that, and what is the major difference between interior design, decor, and interior architecture. Yes, guys. Uh, designing is not putting your sofa in an angle or matching your colors of your sofa to color of your wardrobe or changing the position of certain furniture elements and all. It's more to it. As a individual, we spend 90% of our lifetime in interior spaces. That can be your office workspace, home, school, institute, or anything, but we spend in interior spaces. So how this space affects to us matter. You understand, no? When you are in a hospital one versus when you are in a hotel room, there are two different feelings. So that is what the interior designers do. Okay. So it's hospital spaces are not particularly designed by interior designer. Let me confirm you. So, but they are trying to intimate that one as well. Spaces have effect on you. So, making these spaces more comfortable, not only good looking, it has emotional aspects in it. It has physical aspects like comfort and all, and visual aspects in it. Rather than giving more importance to the physical aspects, we can give more visual aspect. We can give more importance. We can give enough importance to emotional aspect of it as well. It's like how you feel about it. When I say home, you have so many things attached to it rather than how it looks to how you feel that flavor, the smell of masalas of your made by your mom or your grandma, and everything is associated with your childhood memories, sitting with your parents and all that all comes in mind, right? So that's what a emotion of us about home. So space planning matters. Let's move. So basically, interior decoration, and there is interior design, and there is interior architecture. So all these three different fields require different kind of courses you need to do. Interior decoration, usually it's about arranging things, buying furnitures. Any person with a good taste can do it, I say. And interior design requires a degree usually. In India, it's not compulsory to have degree, but at least it would be nice if you understand. It would be nice if you understand principle behind it and how it works. But there are great courses and all will know what is that. And interior architecture is all about the total external of building to how you plan. Compress it with in everything about the building from smallest interior construction detailing to HVAC system, how it has to be worked. All this is taken care by an interior architect. So when you design your home by an architect, no, usually he even does interiors of it as well because they will be well trained in it because they know to make larger spaces. They relate it to the smaller interspace relations and inter-object relationships easily. See, interior architecture is whole about space making, building making, construction, and everything about space in between and buildings. Okay, and interior architecture is about indoor of that is a subset of architecture. Then interior designer is a subset of interior architecture here, and interior decoration is the subset of interior design. So you know how it goes. In interior decoration, you just need to make mood boards and color schemes matching and all that. And in interior designer, you need to understand its impact. Like you need to know exact sizes and all. If you want to be a like interior decorator, cannot be a furniture like he won't understand. He can buy the stuffs and all, but making the things and all, sizing of them, what is the exact size of my door, how I what is the difference between the size of a toilet door to a size of a main door, what is the difference between size of the staircases I'll be working with my indoor house, and size of the staircases I'll be working in a hotel room or something like in a commercial space. So notations about these sizing and bylaws all are important for an interior design. They should understand that. And usually interior decoration happens with very small spaces, but interior designers work with a full-fledged firms, and they work with architects in return to in a bigger spaces like airport arena, airport lounges, and more major commercial aspects. And of course they'll do interiors of home there, but they'll be more into maximum huge larger spaces. And interior architects, of course, they will handle things in the hospitals, because when you do a HVAC system and all, you cannot inlet the air once breathed within a hospital, because you'll be having patients, no, so you always have to get that fresh air from that AC tubes and vent out all breathed air, like okay, old days. So interior architecture is much more complex than interior designer, and interior designing is much more complex than interior decoration. Let's see courses for interior architecture. So interior architecture, you have to be a architect or you have to do master in interior designing, which will have major understanding of both the fields, like how it works and all. But let me be very clear about this. For interior architecture or for interior architecture, basically, in India, if you want to go outside, it's great, okay. But if in India there is no much scope in it, and most of the people don't even know this term called as interior architecture, but it exists, guys, okay. So uh, I would suggest you, rather than doing interior architecture, you work as an architect better comparatively. That would at least make sense of you working in that scale, because even after doing interior architecture, your salaries and all will be similar to a interior designer or an interior architecture. Okay, let's move to next one. Interior design is you have major one of the best degree can be a 4 year degree in Bachelor of Design in Interior Design. By idea I mean interior design, or you can do BSc in interior design, and this will make you understand how like things many things regarding interior construction and interior detailings. You will understand theory about interior design, histories of interior design, what are the fundamentals and all. And by the way, guys, I'll be taking a basic beginner tutorial for interior designers. So if you want to know if you want it to get it faster, please subscribe to the channel, like, share, and subscribe. You are watching till here and haven't subscribed to the channel, please do that right now. Please subscribe to the channel, it will help me. So I'll be getting you more and more things related interior designing, like basic beginner tutorials. I'll be doing that for you, and you can learn it. Basics of it you can learn from me, from my channel. Okay, so you can do BSc in interior design. Here, B design is a great course. You will get to work with the major firms and major agencies, because if you do know a bachelor's in design from top institutes like NID and Pearl Academy, or these great design institute, you are like UID, United World. I have a particular video on bachelor's in design, please go and watch it. Okay, it will help you in many ways, and also go and watch top colleges of design and all if you are interested in taking bachelor of design course in that case. Okay, please go and watch that and subscribe to the channel. Then there is interior decoration. Interior decoration can be as simple as like doing DIY stuffs, or choosing your furniture, placing, arranging, and taking mood boards. And you can do it. You don't need a proper degree, or you can learn basics about it from me, and you can become an interior decorator. And yes, interior decorators have major great chances of being a good designers as well. I'm not telling like only doing graduation is more important, but skills matter, guys. To do anything, skills really matter, and more than anything, experience matters in this field. So, as much as you become experienced in certain things, you will get good jobs. Also, you need to have contacts to do. So, usually, what happens? Interior decorators, they understand about basic things like how interiors of home design decor works, and they will do basic plannings of that, and they will learn similar softwares and all. Uh, and they can work on it, and anyone can become, they don't need a proper degree for this. Okay, so you have diploma courses for that, you have certificate courses for that, you can be self-taught. There are many internet courses available, and one I'll be doing many beginner tutorials, please watch that. Like if you're seeing this like after certain days, the new videos will be out, please go and check the channel, you will get them. So let's see. Job opportunities you have, as I said, you can work with the architectural firms, interior designer firms, and you can do your own business by hiring craftsmen and all. Interior architecture firms you can open. You can become a design entrepreneur, or you can be a teacher. You can teach in this field, and the and interior design is in boom these days. Okay, because every person who is buying a home or who is buying a new commercial space want to make it attractive, want to make it efficient. So in the it has great job opportunity, especially in the field of architecture firm and interior designer firms. People will be looking for interior designers, and salary will be really less. Let me tell you, it will be like very less, like 15,000 to 15,000 rupees per month average in India. It's like very less. But as I said, if you do interior architecture and all, and if you are going to abroad, you have major scope in it. But this this field has a huge impact, and if you love and enjoy the things, you can work in this. Not only that, you can design furnitures, you can work in set designing fields. I'll make a particular video on job opportunities for interior, the different types of careers for interior designers. We can get in that. Then what we have, we need certain skills, and we need to learn some softwares to become interior designers. Okay, so that can be your visualizing skill, like you understand how colors work, how colors put different imaginations and all. You should have the ability of proper communicate, you should need a communication skills to handle your clients. You need to manage your clients, you need to manage your workers, how to say craftsmen, and also you need to understand how to draw these basic drawings. So when you give that drawing to your workers, they are very able to do, like they are able to do that. Like when you give it to carpenters or workers, they should be able to do by seeing that drawing. You should be good with AutoCAD, especially. AutoCAD helps a lot to for interior designers and architects and civil engineers, guys. And softwares like 3D softwares about like Revit, SketchUp. SketchUp is in high boom. If you learn SketchUp, it's wonderful software for interior designers, especially 3D software. And you can and you need to learn renderings. You need to learn if you can learn 3ds Max and learn to render. renderings, if you are a renderer, no, you will get higher payments. So that's the thing in this. So these are the skills and softwares. And like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I hope I covered almost most of the stuff in it. And next videos we'll be learning about what is this basics, fundamentals and basics to start your interior design career. And if you want to start it really soon, please subscribe to the channel. Okay, I should be having 100 subscribers before I start it. Okay, so I'll start it, but help me, guys. It will, if I am helping you in certain ways, help me back. That's all. Thank you.